Welcome back to another POV video. This one's starting off at a little bit of a different time. Excuse the dirty car, but your boy just got off of work, so probably make it a little bit more cleaner in here, huh? But we're going for a little drive, about to head home. Just got off of work, but I thought I'd update you guys a little bit on what's been going on. First thing I do want to address is the noise that this kit was having. Oh man, if you guys don't remember, I was having a little bit of noise that was quite annoying. Wouldn't really go away per se. Ended up finding out that it was the pulley, so shout out to the dude from the last video that actually commented on what pulley he used, because I went ahead and switched that pulley and now we're having no issues at all. Pretty much just saved me from all my problems. And it is a metal pulley versus a plastic one, so hopefully it's a little bit stronger. And it's pretty much just running inverted instead of running it like normally. It is inverted. But she seems to be running really good, which is always a good thing to hear. I hope my glass is not too dirty for you guys. We ended up finding what the other sound was that was coming like from this clicking area, like a little knocking or like a little clunking. Seems to be my controller bushings are going bad, so I do have those on the way. We'll probably be replacing those out pretty soon. So expect that video sometime this week, hopefully. Do a little freeway pull for the boys one time. First gear. Woohoo! Oh my Jesus. I'm telling you guys, when this motherfucker goes, it goes, bruh. Golly. I low-key don't drive that like I really should, but that felt good. Still haven't found any V8s recently, but it is what it is, I guess. Oh my Jesus, bruh. I have been debating on like what to get next for the channel, because I don't want to keep it just all 8th gen, even though this is my current build. I want to get another car for the channel. Now, I've been looking into some cars and I've had a decent amount of success talking to some people. One of them being an FG Civic, so it's a 2000, I think it was like a 2001, possibly even a RSX, which would be dope. Even an RSX, which would be dope. What else would be nice? I mean, an RSX, an old EG, maybe another 8th gen that's a little bit cleaner on the paint side. You know, just keep the USDM front end on that one, and also to have a reliable daily. Because obviously, as you guys know, I mean, this car is reliable and I do think it is indestructible. At the same time, I don't know if I really trust this car going to Vegas. You know what I mean? And Vegas is like 4 hours away, so I'm really debating here. But let me know what kind of car you guys would want to see on the channel, because I'm really like stuck. I know you guys have been enjoying the 8th gen content, but maybe a second car would kind of help it balance out a little bit more. I don't know. You guys let me know. This car's been so fun though. I wish I did have meats, because she definitely needs meats. And the clutch is holding up just fine too. I know somebody said in the last video that the clutch is slipping. It's definitely not. I know when the clutch is slipping because I had a 10 gen, that clutch was pretty bad. And this one seems to be just fine. Oh my Jesus, bruh. At some days, like, I can't wait till colder weather hits. It low-key might be pretty scary. I don't know. And this is just 10 pounds of boost. It just sounds so good, bruh. This makes you drool, you know? I don't know, it makes me want to just drool. I was also thinking about getting a 4Runner as a daily. Like, I know I had an older 4Runner, but I like maybe like a newer one. Just because something super reliable, you know? I feel like this car is good. And obviously if I get another car, I know it'll be just as good too. But maybe, oh, what about a 9th gen? I didn't even think about that till right now. Maybe even a 9th gen. But yeah, knowing me, I'd probably still supercharge a 9th gen. So maybe not a 9th gen. I'm making a promise to you guys. The next POV video that I drive, that I do, I promise I will be racing a V8 or something. I know you guys are probably getting tired of watching me just drive the car and just listening to it, but how could you be wrong? How could you be wrong? It's so good. Oh, get it. Clutch slip around here, bruh. She feel good. I really do want to race a V8 just to see how this thing will do. Anybody? Please? Poquito? And I guess I'm pretty much gonna leave you guys off with, a lot of people always ask me like, what's been done to the car? What do you have? And the answer's pretty simple. Kraftwerks Supercharger kit with a 110mm pulley. No upgraded crankshaft pulley, crank pulley. No upgraded supercharger pulley. Skunk2 alpha header, which is callous. A full race exhaust. And a fuel pump. That is literally it. Oh, and I have a Skunk2 Radiator to help with cooling. But that's literally, that's it. Yeah, a lot of people have been asking me pretty much what's in the car. And that's literally it. I'm still running on 91. Haven't even touched E85 yet, though. We probably are gonna do on the next motor, but currently not this motor. But yeah, that's literally it. Kraftwerks Supercharger, Skunk2 alpha headers, full race exhaust, Skunk2 Radiator, and a fuel pump. And that's literally it. Like, you can't go wrong with that setup alone. I've been having zero issues with it. Haven't had any problems at all, and it's been treating me good. Obviously, like I do mention, this is my daily, so I feel like I should get another car. So let me know down below what car you guys think I should get. And maybe I'll think about it. So up for contestants is maybe a 9th gen, maybe another 8th gen, RSX, or even an EG. The 4Runners for sure, so we'll get that eventually. But next project car, what do you guys think it should be? Obviously, we do want to keep building this one, so this one's not going to leave the channel. But next one, I'm curious to see what you guys think. But man, if you guys are brand new here, give this video a thumbs up. And I do want to say thank you guys so much for the love and support you guys have been giving me. It's honestly been unreal. We've been growing at a pace that I haven't seen before, other than having the 11 gen, and I'm not gonna let you guys down this time. Like, I want to be consistent, upload for you guys, and just upload good content for you guys, and just not slack off. So I am trying to stick to a schedule. If you guys kind of see me uploading sporadically, it's because I'm trying to see what day and what time is gonna work for me, but I'm still uploading once a week. So I hope you guys can see that. I hope you guys are brand new here. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and we're trying to hit 10K. I set myself a goal, even though there's no like, you can't measure success, but I did have a goal when I want to hit my 10K. So hopefully we can hit it by then, and if we hit it sooner, I'll just be 10 times happier. So thank you guys again for the love and support. I mean, without you guys, I wouldn't be making this content, wouldn't be having probably this car or the other fun that I'm having. So just huge shout out to you guys, man, every single one of you guys. So I hope you guys are enjoying the content like I mentioned, and I hope I can bring you guys more fire content, because that's all I want to do. Like, lately it's just on my mind. I just want to make videos, but I want to make sure my videos are good and make sure that they're like not shitty content, you know what I mean? So we'll be finding some races out there soon. Don't worry, the next POV video, I promise you guys will get it. But thank you guys so much for the support. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you guys have not already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.